Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn how to describe and title your collection so others can understand what your collection contains and how to use it. You'll first need to enter edit mode by clicking the green edit button in the upper right of your screen. Once you're in edit mode, click the edit info button located on the right side of the page. On the resulting overlay, you'll be able to change your collection's title and description. I'm going to paste in a new description here. You will also have the opportunity to add keywords as well as relevant subjects, appropriate age levels, educational features, and standards. Once you've entered all your information, click the blue Done button to save your changes. If you choose to publish your collection, words in the title, description, and keywords fields will become searchable, enabling others to find your collection.